Barcelona, a place where art, faith, sunlight, and sea all meet.
Hello friends and family, we have made it back to the airport, Barcelona, Spain. So excited! Love you guys from Ray and Nay.
The map and subway station may take some getting used to. We got turned around a bit, well, quite a bit, but we finally made it to the Sagrada Familia. Stained glass changes colors throughout the day as the sun moves across the sky. Morning light washes the space in soft blues and greens. Evening light ignites it with reds and golds. It's like the building breathes with the sky, like God is painting the room in real time. I'm reminded that the greatest things take time, but they're worth every moment. Art lives in every corner. The museum, the sculptures, the gardens. It's the kind of place that reminds dreamers why they dream. A few tips if you visit. Definitely try some tapas, patatas bravas, jamón ibérico, or anything fresh from the market. Also, I didn't try the jamón ibérico, okay. Jamón ibérico, but that's up to you. Barcelona, the place that whispers that life itself is a masterpiece in progress. Thanks for watching and happy travels.